In the last video, we have seen how to append a text at the start of every line. Now in this video, we'll see how to append a text at the end of each and every line. So for that, first click on escape and make sure you be at the start of the line by pressing Control Home. Now first enter into the visual mode. So Control V will take you into the visual mode. Now type as Shift G so that each and every line will get selected. That is, start of the line will get selected. Now Shift dollar will select the entire line. Now as I want to append the text at the end of each and every line, Shift A you have to use. Okay, so it entered into the insert mode. So just I want to close this brace, followed by I want to put semicolon. Now click on escape. So if you see, all the lines got appended with this particular tool. So let me select the forward slash semicolon. So if you see, everything is getting highlighted. So this is the shortcut in GVim which you can use in order to append a text at the end of the line. Now let us see the same thing how we can do in Notepad++. Okay, so I'm having this thing. So what I'll do is I will add the text at the end of the line. So simply Shift Alt select start of the line. So I'll add starting at the same time I'll add at the ending also. So CS open braces and click on end. It will take you to the end of the line. Simply close the braces. Done. So you see each and every line at the end I've appended, followed by the start of the line also I've appended. So simple shortcut, anywhere you can add. So let's put the cursor here. Shift Alt, drag it down and add anything that you want to type. So get underscore NETS. You see each and every line in the between also text is getting appended. So this is the beauty of Notepad++ as well as GVim. So I hope you have understood how to add text at the end of the each and every line in GVim as well as in Notepad++. So that's all in this video. Thank you.